Kiwi Cooking Crew, let me just start out by saying welcome to another episode as well. Of course, if you like this channel, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and tell all of your friends so we can spread the love of cooking all across the world. So today what I'm gonna make here, I'm gonna make some chicken tenders. That's a big hit in my house. When I tell y'all all of my kids' friends love it, y'all, I actually make this with actual ranch dressing, not no ranch powder. So just make sure that you stay tuned for the recipe, and if you like the recipe, please just make sure that you put that down in the comments below. So stay tuned. So now let's go ahead and get started with these chicken tenders. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just slicing these up into little tenders. You can slice them as little or as thick as you would like. And you can use as many chicken breasts that you would like, just depending on how many people you're trying to feed, or if you just want to eat a whole lot yourself. And so once we get these good and sliced up, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our buttermilk mixture. We're gonna add buttermilk. Then we're gonna add some actual ranch dressing to the mixture. Then we're gonna go ahead and get an egg cracked. And that's just gonna help with the binding. And next we're gonna add some dashes of hot sauce, just for added flavor, and some salt. And then we're gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. Just make sure you mix it up really good so it can be even. And then we're gonna move on to our flour mixture. We're adding flour and some salt to that. We're gonna add some garlic powder. Next, we're gonna add our Italian seasoning that's really good, as well as some Cajun seasoning, some chicken bouillon seasoning, some paprika, and we're gonna give that a good mix. Make sure it's mixed evenly, and we're gonna go ahead and coat it in our buttermilk mixture. And then once we get that coated, we're gonna move it over to our flour mixture and do that for each piece. And then once we get that done, we'll go ahead and get that added to the fryer. You'll know that it's done once the chicken actually starts rising to the top. You can keep it in there longer to get it crispier. And now we have our chicken tenders. They look delicious, so if you like this, please come back and subscribe. And till next time, bye.